Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Expansionary monetary policy works differently across systems, but we need to find the one similarity that always holds true. Let us solve this fast together. In both limited and ample reserve systems, the central bank aims to stimulate the economy. This means they always take specific actions to lower the overall cost of borrowing money. In a limited reserve system, the bank buys bonds to increase the money supply. This shift moves the equilibrium along the downward sloping demand curve, which effectively lowers the interest rate. In an ample reserve system, the bank lowers administered rates. Both methods force the policy rate down, making option D the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.